lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lighting Akanksha. So in today's video we will be talking about two of Nykaa's perfumes by their Mua collection. So if you're interested then please keep on watching. So Nykaa launched these perfumes a year ago and initially they just had two perfumes which I have today for reviewing, and the rest of the four they introduced later on. So without any further delay, let's move into the review. So firstly, talking about the products that I have, like the variants that I have this Joy de Vir and Raisin d'Eter. Now please don't quote me on how I pronounce because I don't know French and these names are in French, so yeah. Firstly, let's talk about some common traits of both these fragrances. So these last on you for 5 to 6 hours, which I feel is okay, and I have them in the travel size variant. You can also get the full size one where you get 100 ml of product and it retails for 1800 rupees I guess, but these travel size ones you get 18 ml of products and it retails for 249 rupees, which I know the price of these fragrances, both the travel size and the full size, is pretty expensive, but still I feel that it's really worth it for the quality of fragrance that you're getting. It is really worth it, you guys. The fragrances, like both these, they do not really feel cheap or tacky. You know, if you go to a room and someone gets the fragrance, they can actually tell that you are wearing something pretty expensive, so that's a good thing. And also both these travel size bottles are pretty much the same, like you cannot look at it and differentiate which fragrance you are picking up. You need to closely look into the sticker which is present here on the bottle, then only you can find out which fragrance it is, because they look pretty much the same. Can you see? This is how they look, pretty same, right? But honestly, I do not really feel that it is such a big issue. You can definitely go and check the sticker or just sniff it for that matter. Now let me talk you through both these fragrances one by one, and firstly definitely I'll talk about Raisin d'Eter, which is my personal favorite. Now of course this is how the packaging looks like, the travel size one, and this is how the actual packaging looks like the actual glass bottle. So because it's being a glass bottle, it is not very travel friendly even though it is a travel size product. So this Raisin d'Eter, it contains vanilla, musk, some sort of sandalwood kind of a fragrance, and also it has rose in it. And this, you guys, it's simply amazing. It is the most essential, the most feminine, the most sweetest fragrance I have ever sniffed. This is so amazing. I simply love this, you guys. You can smell some musk, some vanilla, some sandalwood for sure, and some sort of rose or jasmine in it. It's just amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. Now its fragrance is pretty pure and like very clear, so it's just the single fragrance that lasts you for the whole time. It does not change or anything of that sort, but the other one does that. Now this one is not really a daytime perfume. I would recommend you to wear this for evening, for night outs, for dinners, for dates. So for those sort of occasions you can wear this. These sort of perfumes, like these sort of fragrances, are kind of special, and it's you know, these are for those special moments or special occasions. Now coming to the next one, which is Joy de Vir. Now this is how the packaging looks. The packaging itself gives you a very, you know, happy-go-lucky, very summery, cool sort of a vibe, and so is the perfume. It is a very, very, very citrusy fragrance. The moment you sniff it, you're into a blast of citrus, you know. So when you sniff it the very first time, you can smell citrus, like pure citrus, but as time passes, this converts into a very pungent kind of a fragrance, which is not really unpleasant for your nose, but I am not a huge fan of that, so I do not really like this that much, like the Raisin d'Eter. It's like a very summery, very citrusy, very out there kind of a perfume. Like you can wear this during the day. I would not really recommend this for night wear, but for day definitely you can use it for your college or office or anything of that sort, running your errands, you can definitely go for this, because as I said, it is a very cool, very summery, very fresh, citrusy kind of a fragrance. It is really gonna help you all throughout your day to feel fresh. And talking about its notes, it definitely has citrus. It also has some blend of spice and some amber, some oak moss. It's definitely a must-have perfume for summers or someone who likes very citrusy fragrances. So yeah, do give this a try. I think you'll love it. I personally don't like it that much, but still it's okay. And if it would have been same like the Race and the Ether, like same fragrance all throughout, I would have loved it, because the first sniff is amazing, but gradually as the fragrance transforms into a bit of pungent smelling fragrance, I do not really like that part of the fragrance, so that really makes me feel that it has layers, but the other one does not. So yeah. Now to conclude, I really feel both these perfumes are amazing, and they are just very good in their own ways. The Race and the Ether is amazing for someone who really loves sensual, feminine, sweet sort of a perfume, and it also smells a little bit mature and nighttime perfume. Whereas on the other hand, the Joy de Vivre, it's for someone who really loves fresh, citrusy, summery fragrances, and it's a daytime perfume, and it is not that mature like the other one. So definitely you cannot really compare both these fragrances, because on the basis of wearability and the notes, these are completely different, and on the basis of your preference of the kind of fragrance that you like, you can choose any one of these. But if you ask me for picking one fragrance among both these, I would definitely choose the Race and the Ether any day and every day. So yeah, this is my personal favorite, and it is definitely gonna be my favorite forever, because this is such an amazing fragrance. So yeah, I think with that it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you people found this video helpful and informative. If you did, then please give this a big thumbs up and also share it, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.